what is that vibrating next to you? Even you're looking at it like it's weird. Isn't he? I'm standing in the damn grass with you. What is that? It's moving. So is that one. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Alright, what the fuck are they? Mushrooms? I don't know, but it did look like it was moving to me. Leaves? He's like, what the fuck? Also, which leads me to believe what? Y'all should already know what that leads me to believe. You guys getting all queened up for bed? You getting all queened up for bed? Nighttime? Yeah? Your leaves shouldn't be moving, bro. And the fact that, like, that is weird. That not just I'm noticing it, but you are too, is pretty strange to me. Like, more than strange, actually. Alright. The sun is set. There's a rooster over there. Yeah, they come to shot. Whatever the fuck. Alright, we found a cool rock, I guess. But I'm curious if, because to me it does look like it's moving. Doesn't it? Like, let's see. Now I don't even see it from this angle. But you were just looking at it, so there was the one right in front of you. I did not love that. I definitely don't want to walk under that tree. But, Are we waiting on somebody? I'm curious to what that is over there. Because I swear you were looking at it too. So what is it? A leaf. Right? Oh. You are a trip. Hello, pretty. What is that though? See what I'm saying? Like, leads me to believe. Still I look to find a reason to believe. Someone like you makes it hard to live without somebody else. Someone, it is. It's like not even look at the duck right now. There's just too much fucking weird shit going on here. You're pretty. You're pretty. See, I feel like it is trembling. Why else is it doing that? There's like a couple doing it. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Just saying. Alright. Maybe those are gates. They're obviously here. Dude, I need out of this fucking complex. It's too fucking bad. And, well, I was up at fucking 4 o'clock in the morning, so what's up with that? You know? He's right, they could be turtles. I don't know. Alright, guys, see you later. That is moving, isn't it? It really is. Not as me. He was looking at it too. See you guys later. I always think those rocks. See, that's a big thing right there. Damn it. I'm not going to get all what have you, but I want to go to the damn... Whatever. I could have just worn different fucking shoes. I don't remember them having these crazy black faces. That's just me. And like, it'd be cool if whoever that is was Venus, but it's totally not. but there is a jet airplane underneath it, which is over here. And I feel like the gators are definitely out, because like we don't know for certain they're turtles, do we? I mean, unless we see their things, which is what I'm trying to see. He is way too bright, if you ask me. Like, I need to look that up. Like, remind myself to look into that, because, well, one, that's a big wavy right there. But also, don't you have to, like, have a certain, like, flash and all that kind of thing going? You can't just, like, be out driving all crazy. Driving all crazy. I mean, like, certain... You have to meet certain standards, I do believe. You can't just be, like, out fucking gliding around, dude. That's all. Like this guy, but maybe that's what it's supposed to. Oh, I forgot all about you. You know? I knew there was. Like, Avery's no jet stream coming from him. But I do see a big old fucking mosquito, so before I have to start like battling them. Whoa, that's cool. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, well done, folks. I didn't really catch her flying, but I'm glad you flew in. Okay. They're pretty guys. Hey. I'm not sure what